Hammond Power Solutions is a leader in the design and production of dry-type transformers, as well as providing power quality solutions for a variety of industries around the globe. The North Bend wastewater treatment plant project really stands as a testament to what we can achieve when we harness the collective expertise of the Rockwell Partner Network. The initial design for this project called out having 700 horsepower of load-specific correction, while through working with QCC and North Coast, we're able to provide an active harmonic filter solution that lowered their costs by about 40% for this harmonic mitigation, as well as just provide it in a much smaller footprint. So fortunately, being a Rockwell technology partner, we have access to Rockwell's best-in-class, distribution network, as well as their integrator partners. Rockwell only partners with the people that are knowledgeable in the space. And through that, they have these great drive specialists at each of these distributors. And without those drive specialists, there wouldn't be that expertise there to be able to help the customer. It is with great honor that I accept the Technology Partner Innovation Award on behalf of Hammond Power Solutions and Mesta Electronics at the 2024 Partner Network Conference. This award is so important to us here at Hammond because it validates our commitment to innovation and excellence when collaborating with our esteemed Rockwell partners like North Coast Electric and Quality Control Corporation.